Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have a slightly more unusual one for you. This gentleman's come in to look at getting a hearing test done, so we had a quick look in his ears. You can see there was some bruising there to the right side where he's cleaned his ear with a cotton bud before coming in. What we have here is a long strip of tubular skin coming away from the eardrum into the ear canal. So I think there's a perforation hiding behind this. So what I'm going to do is remove this skin. We're going to use the fine end. The reason being is this skin is still attached to the eardrum around the outside edges, but has a hole in the center of it. So we are just going to take all this away, just to see if we can grab this very gently and very gently move this away. You'll see as we pull on this section, a darker line appears. So that's the outline of the perforation there. You can see the hollow tube of skin. The reason this is there, with perforations, they do heal over time, a lot of them, unless they're very large or there's repeated problems with the infection. So what's happening here is the skin all around the outside edge of that perforation is trying to grow into the center of the hole. Now in most cases it will grow and knit back together quite nicely, but in this case it's grown outwards away from the eardrum. So instead of closing the hole, it's formed this long tubular piece of skin. Because the fine end can't quite get a good enough grip on that skin to take it away, I'm going to use the crocodile forceps, but just put some very gentle pressure on those forceps. What that does then is it allows me to take the skin away very smoothly. And when we take this piece away now, you're going to start to see the outline of the perforation. You can see that darker piece underneath there. That's actually a hole in the eardrum. Now, this patient didn't realise they had a perforated eardrum. So just taking all that dry skin. So now you can start to see the hole there. So when you look through the hole, you'll actually see into the middle ear space. Okay, so now you can just start to see the middle ear space as we go back in. There you go, so you're actually seeing through the eardrum. So these are the structures of the middle ear in here. And that's the skin of the eardrum there, you can see. So it looks quite shiny in there. It's a little bit wet, but no discharge or anything, so that's a good sign. Now just taking that last piece away. There we are. So I've slowed this part of the video down so you can get a good look through that perforation. There we are. So this is what we took away. So these are the smaller bits. They look huge on screen, but you can actually see they're quite small bits of skin. The ENT fine end and the crocodile forceps there, so you can get an idea what they all look like. As always guys, if you did enjoy the video, then please, if you don't mind liking and sharing, that would be great. If you haven't subscribed already, then click the subscribe button and put the alert on so you get an alert every time we put a new video on. We post new videos on a Tuesday and a Friday. Leave comments below if there's something you want a question answered. We do try and put answers to questions on as much as we can, and if there's a lot of questions asking a lot of questions of the same thing being asked, then we will put a video on to explain those as well. So as always guys, take care.